is needed here in such a fluid dynamic situation of a pandemic is guidance and involvement. You need somebody to help you really align what's being said and make it and apply it practically. You need someone that's going to be able to put the continuity into there and really say what is relevant at this stage and what is not, where we're going, and how it's going to play out. The involvement is important because there's a lot of context that needs to be explained and really developed practically to be applied in the scenarios that we exist. And especially in the model that we've put together, where we're talking about an engineered approach to infection prevention, where we're talking about setting up the environment according to the guidelines that are established federally and locally to really mitigate the risk, and that we're not just putting in an environment where we're addressing the individual on their own, but we're setting it up as an environment as a whole where we're taking on a behavioral approach. So we need to really look at the entire holistic approach to the voting process, really consider the voting locations in respect to air ventilation, airflow, the wayfinding, and really, as I mentioned before, and I keep mentioning over and over again, the behavioral approach by implementing those stop stations, by having designated poll workers out there that know their task, know it well, and know and understand and appreciate the value of what they're trying to do, so that people are following the line. Having someone trained that's involved in there to be able to analyze all of this and help you dissect those guidelines and put practical solutions in place, as I just mentioned, is going to be critical to the success to the election process.